So tokuthi manje lapha mawuhlela lapha like you can never sleep in the first day. Awukwazi ulala. One okokuqala, what traumatizes you have been sentenced these huge years. Because githi that time ke mawugojile ipolitiki ke akho parole. 7 years means 7 years. Uyenza nendisi zayo. Uqala from day 1 up to day last of the 7th year. Thola ukuthi ke manje inenzeka mama yenzeka phakathi hlala phakathi nona njalo and abantu will come to you with that means ukuthi uyaqala uboshwa, so it come with tricks, like in terms of trying to recruit you to be a gangster or trying to take advantage of what you are because of you're non-gangster. But by God's grace ngahlala lapho kuthe ngisahle njalo ngigwetshiwe kwathi kuba lento ngiyiboshelwe politically. Lucky for us, by God's grace, 1990 Mandela was released, ANC was unbanned, and one of the conditions it's a Rubicon speech that declared of 11 February in Parliament in 1990 was to say, I'm going to release Mandela and all the political prisoners. So not as Mandela public violence were regarded as political prisoners. And then there was a committee which was set by the Parliament, which was called a Brian Karen committee, which was led by Judge Brian Karen. Lapho kwakuthiwa wonke umuntu ocabanga ukuthi is a political prisoner must apply a substitute form, then baza scrutinize and come ukuthi what are the conditions. So by God's grace now ngathola kaleni ukuthi ke ngina 22 months ngiboshiwe. Mayifake i-appeal yami is what you call i-application yami yapasa because indeed nyanga was a political prisoner because ngangiboshelwe izenzo zepolitiki. So I was blessed by that ukuthi in 1991 92 ngo March ngibe ngiyakhululwa ke nge-amnesty. Ngaqedanga 7 years. Ngiphuma part of this committee ekhulula ngama-political prisoners. Mangiphuma 92 ngiphumela iPE because vele ngiboshela iPE. And my first sentence have created a monster or a more monster than I was before. When I came back now, at least I'm a little bit matured now in terms of understanding and the age. But now ngiphuma ngumntana angry because of a trauma of prison. One, ngiphuma ngumntana angry because of the torture by the security branch. Ngiphuma ngumntana angry because of things that happened to my life. That ngangicabanga ukuthi mina ngibypass for ngisaphasile. No good team now. What I just did to them, I was just putting them up. Suppress. A time goes on over. Mangphuma ejele, I go back to politics again. And I become a secretary with the 4 branch with Institute League. I end up working with regional office then, the Institute League. Standard House with a committee mapolitano nabanye abantu ku Youth League. I was deeply involved in more politics. But in between, I end up now drinking very heavily. Drinking in the sense that ngangicabanga ukuthi mina uphuza utshwala is going to be a coping mechanism of suppressing what I was going through. And again, this journey, what I'm saying too, a common factor of my father has never been there in my life. Now, ngiyaphuma manje ejele ngiya eDaveyton ngiyahlala naye saxoxa but he still at distance. So I become rebellious, ngaqala ukuphuza utshwala, ngaphila a reckless life. Now remember ke, uboshwa kwami ngiboshwe ngiyi-comrade, fully fledged comrade, nginebhamu ehlala kimi, because I was one of the people ababengamabutho, as I've told you. Now, in the area where I was staying, kwakunabafana ababengamagensa, whom I always see and adore as abobhuti right. They were older than me. Number one, labo bhuti banemali on daily basis, abaswelanga lutho. Labo bhuti bagqoka kahle. Like then kunempahla bayibiza ukuthi umashwabane, tracksuit elineni enhle, ibhruku elineni, ishirt elineni, isilama selineni, kogqoka aboma Adidas Torsion, kanjalo ngama-Pringile yonke lento le. And these people, they were not working. But labo bhuti bathi nje banemali. Now when you go to kundawo esiphuza kuzo utshwala, they will drink the best bottles. They were supposed to be here. They take Castle Lager, Lion Lager, because it was then more Hansa. But now they will go for Jameson, they will go for above VO exams. And these people were becoming role models to us. Because of Bapila fancy life, banemoto, you know, my girlfriend abo, a beautiful girlfriends that you can get. Like about Chirabasha was fully team. In a true sense of the word. And coincidentally, one of those people happened to be the late fish who close Gimme, like Uland, Umakene Wam. So saxoxa naye, sakhuluma naye, namadibane esportini, sisiphuza soyi-2. Athi umilila nge-Oscars, ngiyakubona uyi-comrade, and lana ucomrade wami makuhloniphile. And I know ukuthi unayo ibhamu, lokho ngiyakwazi. Because then I was amabutho bephelile, so we were after the unbuild of the ANC. Come with the concept of let's form ama-SDU. Because remember, inkinga yokula kwe-AFP ne-ANC, eKatlehong, eDurban, Durban nase-Gauteng kuliwa. So Comrade came with conservative for us to defend our people in our liberation. Let's form our SDU, which is self-defense units. Then abantu from MK will train us as a self-defense unit. So I want people who have been trained to become an SDU. So that's how I came across to have access to IBAM. You know, mawukhula, especially boy child, kunalento ofuna lo muntu that you look upon yena. Now it will depend into ukuthi lo muntu mambheka when ezolo model lakho umuntu okanjani. Because thina like labo bhuti ngikhuluma ngabo ngithi ngobhuti ababe smart according to us. Obhuti ababe bahle, begcoka kahle, benemali. Thola ukuthi abantu who are working, doing a good living on monthly basis, behola besenza imisebenzi legit, come in the payment next. And yet lo muntu lona umbona ukuthi uvuka kuseni uvuka naye lana ahambe ukuthi intemi time abuye abele lokushini unemali, indawo uqala hlala kuyo, environment ahlala kuyo top notch, impahla egcokayo top notch, fashion, utshwala phuzayo top notch, intombi zakamatsherach ajola nawo are the best brand as the best breed of the girls you can get la community. and lento ikwenza if ever we are mentally and psychologically weak, ungena foundation you differentiate between wrong and right. ungenayo foundation of understanding ukuthi into good and bad yini, is very easy to be hooked. Ukucabanga ukuthi labantu laba lempilo abayiphilayo, it's a good life. And indeed, in the eyes of you currently, it's a good life. So uthe omunye wabo makangi-approacha, okay, umuntu angishiya qala, ungi-approacha qala, I'm coming from prison, within a few months time i-girlfriend yami is pregnant. Uyafunda, I think she was 17 years uMakayi then uPhumeza. Uyafunda, pregnant, here I am angisebenzi. Now nginebha, remember oqala angisebenzi. And now with dilemma of ukuthi in very few months time uPhumeza uzozala umntana, and how I'm going to support lo mntana. This of saying that Oscar, we want to play gang, if you got in that situation, yes, I'm totally mature in terms of understanding good to wrong lendo, but now the dynamics of life, you'll end up taking a bad choice in life. This is a good life. Now the approach was to me, Oscar neighbor, ne, tina snatch job, say market. Now, can't you borrow us the guns? Ne? Siyambe Soropa. And then must be Europa, China. We bring back your guns to you, then share of the card. But the tricky part of this is, Imanzo itola, if you promise Bolek, is about none. Amagamos of money, a certain percentage of the cash. But if ever now we are how to call it florin, then the money was a dollar is equal share amongst ourselves. Now you find yourself with that kind of an offer. Here you are, you're a young boy, you're in a stage of being a teenager, you've made somebody pregnant. Somebody might say those are excuses in life, but those are realities. Ezenza ukuthi abanye abantwana bazibhaqe begaxeleka ezintweni because of certain things. And in life, what determines umuntu nomunye umuntu, what determines success yomunye umuntu ne-failure yomunye umuntu is one life. That's choice. But the element of you having the power to make a good choice is determined by the foundation that you have as a person. Now, I find myself in a situation which, hey, it's Bamunaso. And remember, you know, Abanabani don't understand the apartheid. They only created monsters political. But apartheid has also created criminals. Everyone might say that it's an excuse, but that's a fact. If you go to our age group, abantu that went to prison for criminal cases, when you go down and look at their background, majority of people have been caused by apartheid. What do you mean by that? The conditions and situations that prevailed then zibenza abantu abamnyama to become beggars in their own land. Zibenza abantu abamnyama to become servants in their own land. They make black people to feel worthless in their own land. They make abantu abamnyama, especially when you're a man, uzibhaqe ungena value. Because biblically, uNkulunkulu umdale umuntu oyindoda to become a provider of the family. Now, when we say ubaba is the head of the house, we expect that that particular father must provide for the family. And the dysfunctionality of the family, it was caused most of the time by emigration. Thola ukuthi ubaba wakho uzohamba eThekwini, uzohamba Eastern Cape, uzohamba eLimpopo, uzohamba eMpumalanga, osebenza eGoli as mine. Because of a lesson ukuthi kufuneka iprovide ekhaya. And yet that particular father will share a family whereby he can raise a child. Now the child must fend for himself. Uzobuya mhlawumbe emva kwe 2 years, emva kwe 18 months. Kwi-term ke exhosile kuthiwa umntwana uyachipha. It means uchipha, it means uhleli eGoli for 3 years, somebody for 3 years. Sometimes he doesn't even come back. Now the broken family of that sort, ukuphela kwe-nucleus of the family in the impact. Now some of people end up becoming fathers at a young age because ubaba akakho in the picture. Now you end up being a role of being a father while you are still a child. And when it's exciting to the Shabbat, some of people end up taking wrong choices. I say that go and rob is a choice, but it's a bad choice. But if you go down underneath and look at the layers of what causes some of the reasons that make people to make bad choices in their lives, it was caused by apartheid environment. Now, when it comes to a situation in Mame, Ispamu have made people to become feeling this powerful. Because when you have a gun during the apartheid era, I'm going to make an impact. Now, I will never regret the decision of me joining politics. I don't regret it. I will never regret for me to go to prison for the first time, but it was for a just and a good cause. But out of that, the negative side of it have created a monster out of me, and that to be some of the decisions that I've made, which are bad choices in my life, come from that experience. Now, to have guns as a young boy, to have guns to be trained militarily as a young boy, and then after the political dispensation, there was a lull, and there was instant unbanned. Then we fought for each other. And that sense of let's reconfederate. We're no longer fighting now. And let's conscientize these people in the Gutimanje. Let's try to transform them from being militant to become civilized. We're just being left like that. And the mistake that time the organization have done was to focus on being the ANC as a party and other liberation movement as a party, focusing on the elections. And yet, Abantu were in the forefront because we used to ban people during the apartheid. We used to ban houses. We used to do izinto that were so hindrance and so draconic, to be exact. Being young boys. And they come to take us because in cognizance saying that how can we remedy to try to adapt, to make them adapt? We set up it now. We have moved from being a liberation movement to become a political party. We are left in that situation with newsborn. So coming to this situation whereby I've been recruited now to become a gangster, it was easy for me to make that bad choice. So I end up in Vuma. Okay, fine, guys, I'm going to join. Now, my first robbery, ngahamba nabo, sarobe party store. A town. Wow, sabes nemali. It took us 25 minutes. The commission of the actual was your figure. Abantu bakhomba ngebhamba lala phansi ngebhamba siyazi ukuthi yaphi uthatha umuntu uvulisa safe thatha imali faka emabhekini ngiyaphuma kanjani ngihamba ngisho ukuthi ngulele phansi ngikhwele igibele ekarini ngihamba 2-3 minutes gone, job well done. Manifika endlini imali ibeka phezulu kombhede iyahlulwa, you get equal share. Wow. In my age, in my situation, to have a sum of 10 to 15,000 rand as a cut. Remember, let's look at the years 1993. If value mali was so high. Now, only 15,000. 1993. Remember, I even remember at one stage, now on a party, tata from Friday till Monday, where Zasboya, Zduma. I've bought 2 yamakusha. Yembuzi emsolweni yelento ezimvu saxhela sabraya utshwala babume ngedonga. Still I was having a lot of money. Now that how I was hooked to like with hemos nemali. You know, bengithenga if for you to buy impahla like 1,000 rand ubuyiphethe amabheka ayi-10 agcwele impahla. I'm not talking about just normal impahla, I'm talking about expensive, you know, exclusive clothes. Then ngaleso sikhathi thola ukuthi hey man, le nto masiyenze kuyasebenza le nto. And it makes you feel proud. It makes you feel man enough. It makes you feel the person as if you have the world. If you're Al Pacino, Godfellas, the world is yours. Like it makes you feel as if ngathi uphethe ihlabathi ngesandla. You know, maphethe isibhamu, you become this person. You own the world. And isibhamu sakhuluma. It makes you feel worthwhile, especially when you have a low self-esteem, especially when you're coming from my background of not understanding who you are, being rejected by your father, not having a father figure in your life, not having a good male role model. Yangenza ngazibona ukuthi yes, I'm this man. We did the first robbery. I scored Kamnandi. Another one came, third one came, and it became a norm. In the which at times we will even do 2 robberies a week. Imal bemanaye bengidinga ngesikhathi ngivele ngifake phansi kumatras, ngivele ngiphambisa ubhesi matras, ngiphosa lapha imali angazi ukuthi imali ngiyishiye. I remember one time I think ngangiya eDigeni Alice kugokwami ngiyongcaba lakhe. So ngithi ku girlfriend am, baby ngiyahamba but anything uyifunayo nayi imali khona phansi kumatras. The money I was having was enough. But ngihamba Friday, Saturday, Sunday, ngabuya Monday. I spent a lot of money eDigeni with booze and everything. Now I was spending imali ngekho, but still mangibuya imali seconcerning. That's how the man was. Pesos cut. That's the good side. No. That's the seemed good side of it. Because what the devil does when they try to recruit you, he only show you the good side of the story, of the glamorous and glorious side of it. And yet, the blind side of this and the consequences of crime is over here. And quite good to get brought off in Galem 13 there. And ultimately is October, man. No one, you want to clever when you have covered all the cracks. Pause. One of the things Mao Zen's and Mao robbery plan. That is why before boss why unit baby imagine robbery squad. Yamba organized crime unit. But of you don't just go and rob my weekends. You sit down, you organize, you plan, you double check, you counter double check, you go and visit the place, you plan the movement, how many people, if it's going to be CIT, cash in transit, and most of the time the information comes from those people. They will give inside info, some use of fingerman. family will give you details. Even sometimes kuma wholesale so robbery nama-bank robberies zangu besiwenza, somebody from inside will give us information. So you check and counter check zonke lezi ma-details dawenza, but ultimately le nto izokurhentela. I don't care who says what. You might check and double check and counter check. You can wear the gloves, you can wear the balaclava, you can do everything. That wena ucabanga ukuthi those are precautionary measures zokuthi ngaboshwa, but ultimately uzosleepa matsotsi, uzoslice. So that happened to me. Ultimately ngaboshwa. So mangiboshwa bafika baphuzela ebusuku bakhaba umnyango ngaboshwa ngafilela igirlfriend yami. I think umntana wami was 3 months there. Mabefika erumini yami unayibheki nemali. Remember this bag nemali, one of the shops is Europa, you will say ngathatha ibhegi lapha kuba sengangishiya ibhegi for 5 months ngafaka la mali. So this bag is part of the bag exhibit kule shop Europa, one of the shops in Europa. Two na imali ngaka, how do you explain for savings? Mabe searcher guns were found kuroom yami ngangirenta, and I was arrested. Ngaswe a police investigation, I was charged for 8 counts of armed robberies. Inkantolo ngaxoxa icourt, and I was sentenced on February 15th, 1994 to effective of 23 years in prison. And I was taken to Senapans maximum prison with further charges. Some of them have told to acquire evidence, some of them have told to acquire evidence. By God's grace, was concurrently they go together as Sensei. So I stayed in Senapans maximum for 14 years. It was my account from February 1994 ngizophuma ngo May 2008. That is 14 years full of my life in prison. That is the danger and consequences of taking and making wrong decisions. Ngithe mangizophuma ejele, I phoned my father. Baba, after 14 years, asikhulumi, asithini. Baba ngicela ngizophuma. I think ngitshele a year before almost lapha mawuza parole board bakutshela ukuthi ngonyaka othile so uya eligible for parole. So baba phela possibility ngaphuma next day ngicela impahla. Cabanga umuntu ohlele 14 years ejele kana nix. Angina insho even underpants, ngisho even igauss. Ngoba impahla nginazo uma waphisa ngazo sontweni. So angina nix, aba start from scratch. Baba ngicela impahla, ngicela at least into nje to cover me ukuthi ngibe right. Wavuma. Okay, ma usokhuluma. It's fine, ngaphuma. Mangiphuma ngo 2008. Ngo May. Ngiphumile eGauteng, because i-address ayibhashile yayiseGoli. Ngiphumela kuma hlala eGauteng. Uma waba nguye umuntu ongithengela i-first impahla yami yogcoka. I-assisted namhlanje ibhruku jean, iskipa, ijersey, isicathulo. Ngaphuma ifosho wafika umamecom nginika impahla ngatshintsha impahla e-orange ngagcoka le mpahla ngahamba. And I phoned the guy, baba ngiphumile ejele. Thinda nginosohlangana Oscar Senking. Okay, fine. Uma ke uphuma kwabe ejele wayine shop ethengisa impahla. She was busy ethengisa traditional wear. So uyathunga by profession. So uyathunga display nyathengisa ke shop isebhiliyoni town. And then urenda une flat ayithengile ebhiliyoni town. eGoli eGauteng. Mangifika ekhaya, remember uqala I'm starting from scratch. Umntanami engimshiye na 3 months. She's now 14 years. My second born. My first born, she's 16 years. Ngoba shaya 2 years of promise to Lerato. I'm a father kana nix. Ngihlele ejele 14 years and I must fall for myself. I don't want to lies. Mama again as ehlale vele kuhlala kwenza lokho njengihlala yenza, she try her level best. You know, mom debenza every week ibethi bathengisile shop ani favorite rand. Ngiyothenga nabahlambi lethe bese ibhukune le shirt kwelivi fortnight aphinde ngenye imali ngithenga icathulo. And imali bevana na sometimes of our under ourselves nabo ngithatha impahla kubo nje imama will pay later. Mangiya kubaba ngiyofuna imali as per agreement. Don't believe it. Umuntu uhleli ejele for 14 years. Uthi mawufika uzomnika imali makathenga impahla aqale life. Wanginika lousy 500 rand. Lousy. Umuntu ngimtshele lo muntu uyasebenza unemali. Lo muntu ugcoka i-flossel. Yema 2 point something, ugcoka i-kg, ugcoka impahla edurayo. Ubaba ulo top notch, ule top guy. Udlala ama-jazz club, ushayela kuma 1.2 kuma-jazz club. Udriver i-Mercedes Benz compressor. Uhlala in a top house. And yet his firstborn makaphuma ejele. Umuntu ngimtshele a year before ukuthi baba prepare for myself ngicela imali. Wanginika lousy 500 rand to go and buy clothes. Yini ongayithenga 500 rand. And that created more anger. And when I was trying to mend ukuthi mhlambe this time around baba will change abe umuntu. Ngafika mama ngathi man hayi if I don't. And I cried. For the first time in my life, I cried, literally. I cried because of, I say, what kind of a man is this person? What kind of a monster? No matter what kind of person is doing? Ngathenga Islam lo mali. Noma ngithenga le mali, ngapha ngathenga one pair of suit Islam ayiphekile. But my mom brilliant i-wardrobe yami. Like ngisho kanjalo ukuthi every week ngithenga impahla, ngithenga icathulo kanjalo. With this space of 3 months, ngabe sithi ngibonga ukuthi izinyawo zami zamanje ngineqoqeko. Ngangazi qala ukuthi ngithathe ngisejele. Uma wami ungihambele for 14 years. Remember uqala usuka eGauteng uya ePE. Isimani uma mama behamba ejele every month to go and visit me. Every month for 14 years. We are traveler. Right, even in the Cape, at one stage, one we same permit ticket, right? Community ticket because of one of our customers. This time we call it free. We say because every month, mama we booking once a month. We pay, ang seli mali, ang tenga toilet, you have everything you need. 14 full years, and that thing cost my mom. Kupines, but then I couldn't. Mang for kai also find that uma kanti lady shall kai with kai lamna. Uma become bankrupt. One business crisis. So let's shall we give to episode a opinion down by 10 years. Ne a time with an Italian money things like reflect also invest out to opinions. So the business can generate more funds. I pay 10 in like a food. And then good that thing it uncase like we inju why rent that. Now the landlord is the person I'm telling you. Nakangwas lo because one kuhlela kube ngafika ngathi ngiyazi mina. Siphatha kanjani? One day ngivula cupboard mangithi ngenye imini ngithole some document mayibhalile iBrinyoni housing board. Whereby a complainer ukuthi lo baba lo amthethele indlu the way amthiwa ngakhona. Uma behind rent. He will come and swear umama abiza amagama that I can never call in this platform. That killed me. It's destroyed me. And I sit down and say to myself, it's my fault. You know, I'm a firstborn ekhaya. And my mom will be in trouble with good business. Ngendaba yami. She supported me all the 14 years of such doing her best to make sure ukuthi etshelangisona ngalutho. Now she's in financial crisis because of my fault. Number 2, I'm having 2 beautiful girls, ziyafunda. They look upon me as a father. And they expect me to become a father. I said to myself, it can't be like this. It can't be ngabe nekhaya ngiyindoda females umzamo. But I said to inhliziyo nami, this time I'm not going back to crime. Ngizohamba ngiyofuna sebenzi or doing something that is legal this time. I said to Mama, let me go back to PE again. But like Davidson, remember most of my life I spent in PE. So I'm never doing bad human and I'm never doing too many now, but say PE. So let me go back to PE, Mama. No more what can I do? But legitimately, in this about legit, in as well. Phone, alwe, phone. Go look here, so I'm going to of. I'm telling you what I've discovered. I have to I feel like I'm me. But I feel good I should go to PE again. So my influence is up. So I went to Comco, I applied for a transfer to PE. Yes, the process is Comco, you confirm your address PE, you approve the transfer yamu. Like that. And I'm telling you, the day I'm going to PE, see, I'm a shop of the shop. I have a yam and lunch. It's shop in shop. She's in dog Chinese way. We time my calling thinking. I don't know it we in appointment at Comco was every week of month when a session the parole officer I still under parole. So in a session of parole officer so the time 2 hours at always 5 years. New husband yam. Sing book ticket the phone day. Yan friend in Pakistan Palazam for a pekini, for a suitcase in testing yam. From the terrible penny paper by my letter. Because of the reasons I have decided bang BP. So please, but I have to do it. I've partly letting 20 letter by report and they have had me. So especially how did I feel about that? So please let me go back to paying your from savings to make sure we get now. Big little person get to the table in yam. Quality ibhesi ngiyofika P. Afone ngisebhesini ntambama. Kamafuni ngifika later afone ngamphenduli because ngoba I can't explain to her. Afone ngamphenduli then ngiyofika P. I think mangizokhuluma naye for 2 weeks since P. Ngamexplainela he was very angry, she was very angry but to understand ukuthi sengilana ke akhona zayenza. Mangifike PE ngazama ukucontactana nabantu aba right. Like avoid my bad friends, avoid abantu aba negative, avoid abantu ebengihamba nabo before who can influence me. Bebeza kimi imfowethu ubuyile sivile kanjani and kunalento abahleze bayikhuluma ukuthi Oscar makhona wena imali yataka but une plug we are brave and ke makutry kwa wena ke uyata inya for sure to honest ke mina ngulo muntu mina ne oy goal getter by nature. Ngulo muntu mina angifuni kwenzelwa uzenze ngulo muntu mina ongafuni udepend ebantwini. I think those are values umama was isola kimi nogokwami, but there is all those values in a good positive manner. But usathana wakwazi ukuthi athathe as a positive values azisebenze in a negative manner ukuthi when it comes to crime ngiyaread ngiyacika ngidakaqala ngifuna bengenzelwa angihlali emotweni mangifuna bapha into emsingayo. So people came with me with these ideas of it's not job. Ngithi mina no ngiyeke job angasibhama osikole sibhama ngawari. I always say no ngifuna. Up until such time I will never forget that day. Never na 3-4 months by 2008. Remember ngiphume ejele ngoMay about 15-18 May 2008. About September same year, that is June, July, August, September, 4 months ngaphandle. I will never forget that day. Ngihleli endlini ngibukele iTV Generation. Kusho icall. Mangithi uLerato, my youngest daughter. Phendla ifoni. Mangibiza ngithi baby bear, how umntana amathi hayi baba ngikhona. Ngithi baby bear, why ukhulumela, you know umuntu makakhulumela endaweni engathi toilet ine-echo. Ngithi baby bear, why ukhuluma ngona ngathi uphuma e-toilet nje? Athi ewe daddy ngise-toilet. Afuna mama andive. Ngithi makwenza kanti umntanami. Athi daddy, uthi mama ngaxelile but I can't hold this to myself. Efletini isikhuthiwe sigxothwe efletini. Impahla yasekhaya ilahlwe esitratweni. By the landlord, umama ungaseva rent nge-4 months zonke. You know, it become black. Kwamnyama kimi. Ngithi mama lathi ufuna uphi athi daddy silele shop. Imos ishop kama like this. In a shop la front, ne? That's where athengisa khona up display yabo no popi nezinto zakhe, ne? Then la back kune khishi, kune sinki, then back kunama flat ayithola. That's where ba kulawo mathunga. It's like a kind of a factory. That's where athunga khona namancane abo Rashid. Bayathunga then bayise front. So balili la shop bavuka kuseni baqoqosha umatrasi bobeke back kuze kuphuza off. So ngafika ngisiphethe lapha angasinkingeni. You know, ngaphuma e-toilet. Ngaphandle ngakhala. And the voice said to me, it's your fault. It's your fault that Mamako has back in this predicament. It's your fault, Oscar. It's your fault. And you are a man, Oscar. You can't be like this. I don't even imagine I'm the firstborn. It cast by 2 kuma mom. My other brother is over Guamuluyanda, Nimshang 11 years. It's your fault, Oscar. It's your fault. It's your fault. And then your film savings are nama. I'm of man. Uchi so busy for the interview. Let's look at Kuna gap. You're 14 years. Kusiviako. Where were you in these 14 years? And I can't lie. I think like when I was in prison. Okay, you know. Don't call us, we'll call you. You know what that's say. Sometimes they will make it security check by criminal court. They will say no. I was even willing up to level, but I can be a street sweeper, child trato. I'd love to get something. But I was denied that thing. It's not an excuse. I could have done better. But if you find myself in my shoes, you understand. Now, the very same offers now is about more. Ndokuthi isendoda sakufuna nayi job. And this time around, I said yes. Because I see myself as a failure to my kids. I see myself as failed to my mom. I see myself as truly extended, as somebody who's useless, who can never take care of the family. So ngavuma, and then we do the first job, so I told him second job, so I told him third job, I told him fourth job, I told him. Now, inkinga manje I told him. But how do I give him to my mom? Oh, my mom is this kind of a person who's a principled mother who doesn't take imali a crime. Ulo mama oti, I can rather eat isinkwa acid rice brown namanzi rather than ngidle iKentucky chicken licken. That is at the contribution of kind man. Kumula one day ngathi ngizomphima ngathi ma I'm working muziyazi ngiyasebenza kwapha ANC Youth League. Yes, I was there part-time, but I was volunteering. That's not holiday. That's pure stipend normally my icon. But ngathi mama ngiyahola kwa-ANC Youth League, so ngenze i-loan kwa-Nedbank. Ibhenki yami ngangibhanga kwa Nedbank. So ngenzela nebhenki unike imali, so ngicela ukuphale imali. And uma asked me one question, wathi okay ndakuva Oscar le mali ngipha yona Nedbank loan, how are you going to pay for it? Hayi mali ngizayizama. Wathi no, I can only take this money on one condition. We're going to pay this money together. So ungumuntu onjalo mama ukuthi akayithatha imali as a crime efforts. But let me now escalate now. I want the best money now. Imali something that can make me either to deposit the money for my mom, for the intro, or to buy the house. And this job came to us with this person. What I'm doing now, let's say a job that can give us a certain kind of amount that can make us to become best person in the world. I said to myself, this is the kind of job I'm looking for, not just peanuts. But they told me, but it's from hand to mouth. I must supply myself and put my money, and then one job. And this kind of job, based on just by 5 on the ground, 2 in Mumakars, but it was like 7 to be number exact.